three biggest lies I hear when it comes to selling your home are: one, you need the MLS in order to sell your home; two, you need fancy video tours; and three, you need to have a real estate license or hire somebody with a real estate license. So let's talk about the first lie, which is the biggest lie, and that's that you need your local MLS in order to sell your house. Every day there's thousands of listings that expire or are canceled listed by licensed professionals in local MLSs, so you don't need a local MLS in order to get your home sold. Okay, lie number two is that you need a fancy video tour to sell your home. Listen, I've been in real estate 16 years. I've done a lot of video tours on a lot of listings. I love video tours. They're a great tool to enhance marketing efforts on a home, but it's not the video tour that actually sells houses. Lie number three is that you need a real estate license or you need to hire somebody with a real estate license in order to sell your home. In almost every state, you are legally allowed to sell your own property. That means if you are on the deed to that home, you are on title, then you have the legal ability to sell your home and you do not need a real estate professional. Okay, so if it's not the local MLS, if it's not video tours, and if it's not having a real estate license that actually helps you successfully sell a home, what is it? Well, that's where we have to look at those that are getting results. Let's take a look at the 80-20 rule. So the 80-20 rule in real estate is this: that 20% of local real estate brokers sell 80% of the homes or do 80% of the transactions. Now, wait a minute, Michael, you said that lie number three is I don't need a real estate license. You don't. But it's important for us to look at those that are actually successfully selling homes and what they are actually doing to get those homes sold. So what I can share with you after being in the real estate industry for over 16 years, a top producing broker in the greater Seattle area and in the top 1% nationally of residential sales in 2017, is it's not about just getting your home in the MLS, it's not about fancy video tours, and it's not about having a real estate license. Okay, what the 20% do is they have a specific process that they follow with every single listing to get it sold and get it sold for top dollar. And that is the process that I'm gonna share with you. So we've identified 5 major blocking issues that most for sale by owners face when they're going to list their home. And these are the 5 issues that cause them to pick up the phone and make that expensive call to their local broker to hire them to sell their home. I mean, sometimes this phone call realistically costs tens of thousands of dollars, okay? So we have put together 5 amazing coaching videos, and we also have PDFs and checklists that help address and help you navigate through these 5 major blocking issues so you can DIY and successfully sell your home by owner. So with our course, what you're gonna get is our roadmap, which is our step-by-step guide to help you walk A to Z, getting organized to list your home, all the way to picking up your check at escrow. You're gonna get tons of helpful PDFs, checklists, and templates. You're gonna get our 5 main videos that address the 5 major blocking issues that for sale by owners face. Plus, you're gonna get access to bonus videos, additional bonus PDFs, and of course, access, if you need it, to coaches to help you walk through the areas that you personally are getting stuck or having trouble with. Our For Sale by Owner University package is revolutionizing the way that people sell homes, but most importantly, it's keeping a ton more wealth, thousands and tens of thousands of dollars in your pocket by simply approaching this with a little bit more intentionality from somebody who has a proven track record of success in a process that has sold over $80 million of real estate. So follow the steps and click below to get more information or join our For Sale by Owner University community today to begin your journey on how to successfully sell your home by owner.